Hey, this is Rick and welcome to another review and possibly maybe some tips for you. These are can lids, covers, protectors that go on your metal cans after you've opened them up. These are silicone. Now you might not think that's very important, but today I'm trying to watch a lot of healthy stuff. We put plastic lids on our pet food cans and they're not good for them because they've got BPAs and stuff in there that could leach into their food, and we don't want that to happen. Plus those plastic cheap lids that you put on there, those can protectors that you put on there, they crack over time and they'll break apart and they're just junk. You could buy a dozen of them or you could buy 4 of these. You can get these off of eBay and Amazon. I think they were around $12 for a pack of 4 shipped. So it comes out to about $3 a piece, which you think is expensive for a lid, but being silicone and BPA free, sometimes you can't put a price on things that are healthy for you, especially since that's not that expensive. So we'll go ahead and open these up and I'll show you exactly what they do. Alright, I'll take one out. They're made by a company called Fretod or Fretod, who knows. Everything's made in China these days. Now the thing that's nice about these is they're for 3 size type cans. You see the 2 grooves there. Supposedly they'll work on the smaller cans and they'll also work on the larger cans. So let's put it to the test. So here we have a smaller can. And it looks like the smaller can will go right inside the inner groove. And that sits snugly right on there. Now here's a can of albacore tuna. So this goes right on the outer part, just like that. It's a little loose. Hopefully it seals enough to, well, it'll hold on there. I mean, I'm not really squeezing on the sides or anything, so it holds on enough. Here's some diced water chestnuts. Looks to be about the same size as the albacore. The lid's not popping off completely. Now here we come to the cat cans, which is primarily what I bought it for. We buy the larger cans. That can is going to go in the groove on the inner slot. Right there. So that holds on there pretty good too. So for our purposes, it should be good. But it will work on multiple cans, so you don't have to buy these just for cat or dog food. This is what we usually use. These are just the cheap plastic ones. You get them for like $1, but you can see they crack and you can't really put them in a dishwasher. These are dishwasher safe. And like I said, they don't have any BPAs in them, which is a chemical that's in plastics that's not healthy for us or our pets. So it'll work in our application. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share with your friends. Links for any products that I review will be at the bottom of the page on the YouTube video description. Take care.